Hello children, it is the continuation of the page 4. A reading the lesson Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Let's continue. But the Town Mouse had enough. Thank you, cousin, said the. But I think I will. It is the contraction of I will catch the next train home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something. Now, because he has seen, he couldn't eat anything, he couldn't enjoy drinking any food, and he can't able to sleep also, couldn't able to sleep. That is why next day food was also not ready, breakfast was not ready. That is why he told he want to go back because he had remembered some work and he has to go to do it. And after that he taken train and went back to his town. A few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin, the town mouse, here is letter. And now, because town mouse was not well, that is why he came. He visited to village country, and after that he left. One day after he left the country, and his cousin was worried. He did not inform anything. That is why his cousin, country now, this time country mouse means village mouse, written letter to the town mouse. Now, because village mouse written, that is why village mouse lives in the hole. The mouse, that is why village mouse address. Mouse, hole, mouse, country, 22 March 2012. Let's see what he has written. My dear cousin, I hope you are well. That is, I told, this part is said to salutation. Now, I hope you are well. I am worried about you. I would like to visit you and make sure you are all right. With love, your cousin, country mouse. Now he told, everything is good. I am very worrying about you because your health was not good. That is why I want to see you, and I want to make sure, I want to visit in your place or want to see. Your health is okay or not? And after that, here address to town mouse address. This is the envelope. Outer side writing, that is the address is there. You can make box and you can write it. Town mouse posting address is there. Kitchen cupboard, mouse town. This letter written. After, see that the town mouse received the letter and read it. Since he was in hurry means want to go fastly, he sent a telegram to the country mouse. Here is the telegram. Overjoyed means very happy. Come soon, town mouse. Now, I told country mouse written letter to town mouse, and town mouse received the letter. After that, because he was busy, he was going somewhere. That is why he fastly read letter, and after the telegram. Telegram is the medium to send fast message to your relative, anyone which you want to send. That time electronic media is there, but that time telegram was there. But you can't write like letter in telegram. Telegram you have to write some main words only. Now overjoy means he become very happy. Why? The news, you are visiting in my place. Come soon, come early, town mouse. That town mouse written the letter there. Now next. A few days later, the country mouse arrived in the town. He was surprised by the noise and the lights. Why are there lights in the middle of the night? He asked. Now, country mouse visited to the town. Means village mouse visited to the city. After that, after he arrived there, and he was surprising how much noise is there. Traffic now, pollution is there, and after this night, full night light was there, darkness was not there. He was habituated to sleep in the hall and in darkness, because in village current problem is there. That's why in city full night street light is on only. This is town. His cousin replied, here there are light even in the middle of the day. Ab now town mouse told, it is the city. It is like this only. Here light day also there and night also there. Every time is like a day is there in city. Hello children, it is the page number 5. A reading the lesson, the town mouse and the country mouse. Now let's start. I told the country mouse visited to the town, and town mouse and country mouse was surprised to see the light in the middle of the night also, and noise of the traffic which is made by the cars, truck and lorries. Now after that, and what is the dreadful noise that never stop, asked the country mouse. Dreadful means very bad, unpleasant. Very bad, unpleasant, which not look good to our ears. That is traffic, the town mouse replied. That is the noise made by the bus, lorries and cars and aeroplane. And now, because country mouse was habituated to sleep in the quiet, because village life is a very quiet, no noise there, no pollution is there. But here in night also lot of traffic is there. He asked his cousin, what is that all noise? Then his cousin town mouse told, this noise is made by the lorry, bus and aeroplane, all cars. And it is city life is like this only. But the country mouse did not like at all. All the noise has made my head ache. Headache means in pain in head. He said, could I have some water or drink? Now because that much noise, he was habituated to sleep in quiet. Now lot of day and night full noise was there, traffic made by the traffic. So he did not like it. He felt headache in his head and a pain in his head. He asked, I wanted to drink some water. Why only water? Said the town mouse. Look at what there is for ice cold lemonade, orange juice. Which one do you want? Now town mouse was thinking, see, I have variety of things there. He told, why water? Here lot of juices are there, ice cold lemonade there, orange juice there. No, you take whatever you want to drink. Just some water, answered the country mouse. Some water and a little bit of food. No, I don't want to drink this cold item, juices and lemonade. Just I want some plain water and some food to eat. I have a plenty. Plenty means lot of food. Cousin, said the town mouse proudly. We can eat as much as you like. He was thinking, in country only some tender root was there and some sugar cane piece was there. He was proudly telling, see, in our town what were there? Plenty of things are there. You can eat how much you can eat. He was proudly telling, because lot of things are there in cupboard. Sure enough, the house of the town mouse at the back of a kitchen cupboard was full of most delicious food. Now in kitchen one cupboard is there, like a mirror. See in picture it is there, and that all item, fruits, vegetable, how we use in refrigerator to keep there, that time it is keeping in the cupboard like almirah. And lot of things are there in cupboard, and there this town mouse was living in cupboard only. In backside one hole was there, in backside only he was living. There was bread, jam, different kinds of fruit, slabs of chocolate, means pieces, big pieces of chocolate, and huge piece of lovely cheese. What was there in this here? What was there? All fruits there, slabs, these slabs of chocolate there, and drinks there, and up jam, bread, everything is there. He told lot of things there. How much you want to enjoy, you can enjoy. Thank you.